Keluarga Patisi TV.
Hadu khandai Ngut ki Khynnah ki layap Hachinwara district jong Jala Madhya Pradesh. Namar Khyllai jong ki Treikam Shuh. Balakano bakadaw kadai nak Dawai Jyrhoh. Bat shuai kani kala Shuh Rajasthan hakba Ngut ki Khynnah kala di ka Dawai Jyrhoh bayo nak jaga sumar sarkar na CHC. Hadien kani ke jingjia ke sarkar Madhya Pradesh kala phak bantes ya Dawai Jyrhoh dextromethorphan hydrobromide syrup kabakine ki Khynnah ki di. Ka sarkar lalap bagi dan hadu khatsau spa arpungut ki Khynnah ki bakempang bat menta ki doktor ki dampet benia yaki. Ka sarkar kala penmiru yaki kendon baladau Khynnah upang palat ya ka arsngi hapo andre gonta di banbu ya uwa civil hospital. Balada kamyaram di ban Khyllai district hospital. Bat hadin bolayo jingkon deban phano ya u shaying bat ki asha ki haban pej man kapor ya jinglong ka kot ka khia jau. Ka sarkar kala phates ya ka andre kilap ka biang kamdan jingta ai lapates ha National Institute of Virology ru lalap baka kabyang bat kamday nakadaw ka bat menta ki pha sasha CSIR Madhya Pradesh na padengi khandai Ngut ki Khynnah ki bayap sangut ki dei badi ek Dawai Jyrhoh gold reef bat uwe pat udi ek Dawai nesto DS syrup ka sarkar klabtha igi doktor ha ki jaka sumar private baladadan kum kini ki Khynnah ki bayap pang kimdei bat sumar ha ki jaka sumar private jongki hendai ki ban pha sa civil hospital ka National Center for Disease Control kalalej banlumi ki sampel jangka bat ki entomological drugs na ki hospital fair ki badan Madhya Pradesh Rajasthan balap ya kadaw tanrai balai Khyllai ki Khynnah Treikam Hadien bladi yakini ki Dawai Jyrhoh.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.